Hi everybody, this is Greg Luczak with Luczak Real Estate and Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage. I'm bringing you a fantastic home listing tour today. This is 6935 Highland Vista Drive. This is a beautiful property with great curb appeal, phenomenal professional landscaping, a great front porch, and attached 2-car garage. This home is located in Springs Ranch, right in the Powers Corridor. Really easy, convenient access to all the great restaurants, shopping, IMAX movie theater, etc., etc. Right down the street, you've got a fantastic big community park and Remington Elementary School as well. So you're literally 100 feet due south of us is a fantastic community park. This property has over 2,600 square feet. You've got 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and again, it's a great attached 2-car garage. It's a beautiful property with great finishes throughout. Let's go inside and take a closer look. When you enter this home, you're greeted by beautiful hardwood floors, and you're also greeted by a beautiful formal living room area. Formal living room's got some updated lighting, great vaulted ceilings, and a lot of natural light with windows out to the front door. Follow the hardwood floors here into the kitchen and dining room area. The kitchen's got a fantastic center island, a pot rack. All the appliances do come with the home. It's got a great amount of counter space and cabinet space, as well as a really big pantry. Open to the dining area, which again has the great brushed nickel fixtures that are custom throughout the house. You've got the dining area that walks out to the backyard and the back deck. You've got a great elevated back deck back here with a lower patio and a lot of great mature trees and great landscaping out here. Also on the main level, open to the kitchen and dining area, is a fantastic family room. Fantastic family room's got a gas tile fireplace, a ceiling fan, and a lot of space for sure. Great natural light through the windows, great contemporary colors, and really thick, nice carpet. It's a really good space. What separates this home a little bit is that on the main level, you've got a nice big bedroom. So the property's got 4 bedrooms upstairs and a 5th bedroom on the main level. So you've got a great main level bedroom that attaches to a 3/4 bath. So the bath on the main level is not like the normal half bath powder room. It's actually got a shower attached, and it attaches on both sides, one open for guests and one directly to that bedroom on the main level. So it's really convenient for anybody who needs main level living as well. You've got 4 bedrooms upstairs, all copious size, good closet space. Everything is really good space here. You've got an upper level laundry room, you've got an upper level full bath, and you've also got a great master suite. The master suite has 2 closets, so you've got dual walk-in closets, as well as a 5-piece attached bath. So really great layout, and I know the dual closets really helps out a lot of his and hers. The basement is also finished as well. You've got a really nice big rec room here, game room, theater room, open play space for the kids, whatever you want to use it for. It's a very functional space. And you've got an attached 3/4 bath on the lower level basement as well. So you've got, again, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms total. Property has air conditioning, again, professional landscaping, 2-car garage, and over 2,600 finished square feet. For more information on this property, please visit my website, www.makespringshome.com. And for a private tour of 6935 Highland Vista Drive, just give me a call directly at 719-271-8888. Thanks so much.